in a fun junk journal dream. DJs crafting grungy scenes. Hither and Yon, where friends all meet. Paper glue and vintage treats.
Hello there, my crafty friends and creatives from around the globe. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio. And if you've been here before, welcome back. It's February, guys. We're in the studio and we are exploring the new February freebie, the free junk journal kit for February. This is a mini junk journal kit. If you're new here, I do one of these kits each month and it's free throughout the entire month. And all of the details are in the description box below. So you can check that out and get your free kit. It's only available through February 2025, so make sure you get it and download it before February is over so that you can get it for free. If you missed the month, you can go to the shop and purchase it at a very low cost. So even if you are watching this in 2026, 7 or 8, you can still go get the kit in the shop, so long as we're all here, and purchase it. They're usually around $4, and then I have bundles, and you can, go grab one. Okay, so this month it's all about the birds and the blooms, and there's a lot of people doing February Valentine's. That's great. That is not my my cup of tea. So we're gonna get into the birds and the blooms. I hope you all are doing good. We have a purpley and blue bird and butterfly filled kit this month. Again, it's a mini, so the size of this will be this cut in half and then folded in half. So this will be folded in half and cut along this line. So this will be about the size of this journal if you're new here. And if you are not new here, hey guys, welcome back and thanks for jumping back in and checking out another video here. It is February and I am glad that January is over. So I do owe you guys a couple of videos for the January free kit, which is no longer available if you're seeing this for free, but you can get it in the shop, and all of the details are over in the shop, or you can look at the January videos, the craft along videos, and that'll have the details as well. But anyway, we're moving on to February. So the first thing I have are the half pages. So there's 7 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. And again, these are the pages that we cut in half and then fold in half to make our mini journal. So I have printed on the back with the 8th sheet, and this is just a background sheet that you can use, and I printed all of these with it just to give some extra room for building up using the ephemera and some of the fussy cuts and things like that. So I printed all of my backs with that so that I will have a lot of those pages, and I figure I'll do like 2 signatures. I think that'll be fun, maybe 3. We'll see how it goes. All right, so I'll just show you the fronts of these because that's what's different in these. So some of these pages are styled and some are just blank and some are more graphic like these, and they all work together because it's a junk journal. It's a mini junk journal. So I wanted to give kind of that vintagey feel and have the elements sitting on the pages, but yet give you some room to kind of make it your own. And again, with the blank pages, you can definitely make this your own. Love that bird cage, bird house. This is just a background page that I've included as well, and I'm going to, when I cut this in half, it'll just give me some more vintagey pages and I can pile on other stuff on top of here or use some of the journaling cards and stuff like that to build up these pages. So I wanted to give you one neutral page as well. And then I love this birdie. Birdie. Okay, so that's the half fold pages. Then we have the pattern pages. And this kit features irises and crocuses and crocus. I don't know. What else? Lilac, lavender, and hyacinth. So you'll see a lot of that within here. And then, of course, birds and butterflies and some hummingbirds. So keep an eye out for those as I flip through. So these are the pattern pages. I haven't printed on my other side yet. I will get to that. Had to get a video done for you guys. But this one. And then we have the birdies. So you can use these you know, as actual pages in the journal if you want, or you can fussy cut the birds out. You can use them in strips to make pockets, whatever. I kind of give you a couple of pages so you can use them any way you want. And of course, you don't just have to use them in this journal. You can use them in any project that you have, and they're free. It is for personal use only, but you can print them and use them over and over again. And this is just a bunch of dragonflies. Thought that was kind of a cool pattern. All right, so those are the pattern pages. And now moving on to the pretty pages. So these are like full-size sheets that you can use as covers or to make bigger pieces for inside your journal. You can tear them apart, sew them back together. You can do all sorts of things with them. So I like to give you some options for these as well. This one gave me an Easter vibe, even though we're way ahead of Easter. I just like the birds and the nests. I guess I'm feeling a little spring. It is so cold and icy and snowy here, so I don't know. I wanted to do birds and blooms, so that's what we're doing. Well, that's what I'm doing. You know, you do whatever you want. Okay, so that's the full-size pages. Now we have the ephemera pieces. And so there's journaling cards or pockets, however you want to use it, tucks. I have some strips here that you can put on the edging or the bottom of your page, use as belly bands, some words that go with the kit. And then just a lot of fussy cuts here that you can use, and we'll stack and layer these, which I love, love, love. Excuse me, guys. I'm a little hoarse today. Some more journaling cards or tucks or mini belly bands. More fussy cuts. Look at that pretty bird. Alright, even more. We got some faux wax seals, a nice vintage image. There's one of the hummingbirds. Cameo. Lots of fun stuff to play with this month. Couple of frames, so you cut these out and you can put something behind them, or you can leave them as is. And then these pieces that you cut out, you can use as tags, or you can fussy cut around these, up to you. These are photo corners, another fussy cut, some labels, more wax seals, more hummingbirds. So we've got a variety of birds in this kit, some stamps, tags, pockets, postcards, labels, lots of fun stuff to play with this month. And then finally, I gave you some cover options. Now, you don't have to use these, but I figured I'd throw them in there. You could also put them on a page or make something else like an insert inside the middle of your journal. Up to you. But here's two. And then two more. I think that's going to be my cover. Come on. All right, guys. All of the details to get your free kit for February are in the description box below. Just a couple of things before you go. A lot of people have a little trouble getting the kit once they sign up. So you go and you sign up and you opt in, and it gets sent to your email. You have to check your spam. You have to check your junk. You have to check your promotions if you have Gmail. Sometimes on AOL and Yahoo and some of the like Comcast type ISP emails, they have such high filters that my stuff immediately gets thrown to junk, or you have to add my email address into your contacts and have it in there to receive it. There's information on the web on how to whitelist an email address, so you can go on and check that out. But unfortunately, I can't continue to kind of troubleshoot the tech issues that may be coming up when you try to opt into the kit, because there's just so many factors that could be the reason why you might not be receiving it. So you have to kind of do some troubleshooting yourself. And if all else is lost, try using a different email address, because like I said, some of the email providers have very strict filters, and my mail won't get through if you've never sent me an email or we've never had an email conversation before. It's just the way that it works. And it doesn't just have to do with your email and my email. It has to do with my email provider and how many emails I send and things like that. So there's a lot of factors that get involved. So I just wanted to put that out there. If you're having trouble, just try another email address. I highly recommend Gmail. They're you know, free, and you can get as many emails as you want. Okay, so that's the kit, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Leave me a thumbs up if you like this month's kit, and let me know if you'll be playing along. As always, I will be sending out freebies throughout the month that go along with this kit. So if you want to add those to your kit, just keep an eye out for them throughout the month. There's no real time frame, but they do come out fairly quickly after you download the original kit. So yeah, just keep an eye out, and I will see you in the first make. And keep an eye out for the rest of the January videos. Again, I am sorry about the delays, but it's been that kind of month. So, all right, guys, have a great rest of your day or night. Bye!